Just a little short video on how to install a brake light in a 2012 Ford Focus. This is the driver's left rear brake light is out. It lit up on the dash, brake light bulb's out. This is how you replace it. You open up the trunk, pull this little flap here off right here, and you got to take this off and this off. They just unscrew, and the tail light will pull out, and you can put a couple bulbs in. Just to drop this down in there. And then you just take it right here, it comes off like this. And the one that was out was this one up here. You just twist it, pull it out, and the bulb should just pull right out. Okay, and then you install this one in here. Okay, and then you install this one in here. Line up which way they go in. Line up which way they go in. Just pops in. Just pops in. Just give it a little twist. Earlier I was taking this one out. Give it a little twist. Earlier I was taking this one out. That's your brake light. Then you take it, slide it back in. Then you take it, slide it back in. All three holes lined up. There's one hole up here. All three holes lined up. There's one hole up here. Then you come around here. It doesn't have nothing on it. These two. Then you come around here. Put these back on here and tighten them up. Back on here and tighten them up. It's just two that goes on there and put this cover back on. Just two that goes on there and put this cover back on. Be careful with the plastic. This is plastic. Be careful with the plastic. This is plastic when you put this cover on, because it can break very easily. Put this one on. Put this one on. Right here. Right here. Tightened up. Then you pop your cover back on. Then you pop your cover back on. These clips will just be pushed in. You got again. These clips will just be pushed in. You got to be. Just goes in like that, and it snaps in. You got to be careful with it. Well, I'm gonna finish tightening. You got to be careful. Well, I'm gonna finish tightening. If you like this video, click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Video, click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Okay, and then you install this one in here. And line up which way they go in. Just pops in. Just give it a little twist. Earlier I was taking this one out, but that's your backup lights. This is for your brake light here. Then you take it, slide it back in. All three holes lined up. There's one hole up here, but it doesn't have nothing on it. These two. Then you come around here, put these back on here and tighten them up. It's just two that goes on there and put this cover back on. Be careful with the plastic. This is plastic when you put this cover on, because it could break very easily. Put this one on. Right here. Tightened up. Then you pop your cover back on. This way again, these clips will just be pushed in. You got to be. Just goes in like that, and it snaps in. You got to be careful with it. Well, I'm gonna finish tightening this up. Thanks for watching.